guess where I am? Where am I, Darren?
On the ball.
There you go. I've driven up here after a night shift. I've had no sleep yet, so I'm going to set my hammock up now. It is the 22nd of June, so it's the day after the solstice. Closest I could get. Darren was here last night on his own, chillaxing. It is...
I'll say chillaxing, Eric.
Well, I do. It's good enough for me. It's 11:15. I've been here for an hour or so. We've been chatting. I've had a beer, because it is my evening at the end of the day. I'm not an alcoholic. So I'm going to do a time lapse of, I'm in a hammock this time. So I'm going to do a time lapse of the hammock going up. And then I'm going to have another beer. And then I'm going to go to bed. And it is an absolutely gorgeous day. And then later on we're going to have a wander over to the stones and we'll show you all the crusty types wandering around. Right, hammock set up. I've taken my waterproof cover off the bottom, so I've just got the proper camo effect. Me 2-ply. And I think it's looking pretty good. It's not a bad little setup for the night. I'm going to have a kip in there in a bit. I'm going to have another beer. Nightcap, and then I'm in bed. Right, I'm recording on my Snopper gimbal now. I've got the face tracking on, so we're just testing out if this can be used as like a mobile cameraman. So if I walk around cam, it should, he says falling over, follow me. So I'm not doing anything at the moment. My gimbal is actually following me. So I've got like a little cameraman. Lads have gone down to the pub as usual. I've been in bed for a couple of hours because I was in work last night. I've only had a couple of hours sleep. I am still quite tired, to be honest with you. It's been a busy week this week. But yeah, I thought I'd just test out my gimbal. Recording it obviously on my Galaxy S10 Plus. And it should just follow me around. I don't know how quickly it'll work. And it'll lose me tracking. But yeah, this is my, that's quite a distance away. It's quite impressive. The only thing with this snapper is it tends to, sometimes seems to go off at a bit of an angle. It doesn't quite stay straight, which is a shame. But no, it's doing not a bad job. I don't know what the sound's like from this distance, because obviously it's gone at an angle now. I've gone sideways on. Yeah, back up more. Andy's come up for just the afternoon because his missus is due the new baby soon. Darren's here obviously with her now. His son Matty's here. Ben, Simon's lad's supposed to be coming up. I don't know if he's here yet because I was asleep. And then Andy Robinson, who you've seen in videos in the past, he's coming up late and going early. So yeah, as you can see, we're up in camp. I'll just show you around the camp, give you a quick look around using my new automated assistant. Over here we've got Darren's kit. I'll go down whilst you get me. Yeah, there you go, look, it's tracking me. Darren's hammock, Sargasso tarp. This is Matt's. He's just got a basher set up with his little bed in there. We've got the fire pit. We're going to have a movie later. Andy's set his hammock up just for the afternoon. And then if we go over, keep track. I have my kit here in the distance. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with this gimbal. You can do some time lapse with it, moving time lapse around the stones in a bit. I've had a cup of coffee. I've had something to eat. I'm just going to sit and chill for a bit. Beautiful day. It's cloudy, but it must be 21, 22 degrees, something like that, easily. So yeah, it's nice, lovely. The oak tree. So I'll catch you in a bit now that me and my automated assistant has worked.
This is my daddy.
Not his dad. I don't know
This is my daddy.
I have no idea who this is.
This is Daddy Fleming.
Never met this guy in my
No,
life.
I wouldn't want to.
Flying, Daddy.
I don't know you. Go away.
Right, whoa, watch out, Poppy.
Polly.
Oh,
Just renamed
it's you.
it.
You're the one who keeps calling her Poppy. You've got me
Polly.
the wrong name.
I've never
now.
called her Poppy since a minute. I've been
You
saying
did
Polly.
it wrong at the beginning.
Polly. That was Andy. Oh, look at him running.
What did you forget?
Shades.
Strap on.
Strap on.
Lube.
There you go.
So, you enjoying Solstice so far, Barrel?
Having a lovely time.
In your lovely hat.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
It's really nice. Here we are, as you can see, lots and lots of people.
If you look over there, you'll see dogs shagging.
Matty's a little bit worse for wear, aren't you, Matty?
I'm born ready to be drunk.
Darren's been photographing all and sundry, haven't you, mate?
Certainly have.
Lots of tents round. Absolutely gorgeous weather. The most people I've seen up here in a while, actually, for Solstice. So, yeah. All the fun of the fair. Had me beer. Should have bought two. Didn't think I needed more than one. Beer. Some people are a bit louder than others. Quite annoying, actually. Especially over there. She's very annoying. I was going to take the drone up, but probably won't now. We'll be heading back in a bit. Darren's missus is on the way. Matt's already gone off because he's drunk. Probably find him lying in a bush somewhere. Time to get some fodder on. Chicken tikka masala. Lots of people, most people I've ever seen here on the Solstice. Cooking with curry now. This is really nice little kit. This is a Norwegian mess tin. And inside that mess tin goes water bottle, little cup, and that would slot in there like that. And then you've got like a bowl that clicks over the top. I think they're about literally £7, and this is the one that came with the knife, spoon and fork set, which I've used for years. So yeah, cracking little set. It's a beautiful evening. Andy's going now. He's been picked up. But yeah, an absolute gorgeous evening. The rice is starting to cook. Mushroom rice, chicken tikka masala. Jobs are good. And the end of another summer solstice then, Darren.
Hello. Another one. Much fun was had by all.
And Janet had a night on the moor for the solstice.
In a hammock.
In a hammock. And this is what's left. Not quite as busy as yesterday. Still quite a few tents dotted around in the trees over there. Have a chill before we walk back to the car, and then home shopping for the father. Back to reality. Back to reality.
Into a hot shower and a beer.
Bath. I'm going to sit tonight, I'm going to have a beer, and I'm going to edit all my footage. That's another successful trip done on the moor. Not loads of video, but I hope you enjoyed it. I decided not to take the drone up in the end because there was a lot of people around by the stones and I didn't really want to like disturb what they were doing. I tried to be considerate with my filming at the end of the day. But yeah, it's been nice. Simon would have enjoyed it, obviously. Ben, his son, was here with his girlfriend. That was nice to see them again. It's been a really nice break. It is 2:20 and I am heading off home now. Bit of shopping to do on the way back for my father, and then a nice hot bath and a cup of coffee. I can't wait. But yeah, I've really enjoyed it. I've lost count how many solstices I've been here. So this is about the third one I've filmed, I think. So yeah, it was nice. I didn't have a walk over to the stones last night. Darren and Janet did. Said they had a proper rave on with like big laser generators and everything there. I was just wrecked. With having no sleep and working Friday night, I was wrecked. But yeah, it's been good. I've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for all my new subscribers. If it is your first time, please consider hitting the button below and subscribing. That would be great. And I shall see you soon. And as always, please take care. Cheers. Bye.